Hello and welcome again. After a long time, I started to record this video again. And why I thought to record is today I see the whole world is struggling with the COVID-19, the coronavirus, and everybody is starting to stay in home. They started to stay in home and working from home, and they're not able to go office. So the remote work is it became very important. So I thought let's talk about the virtual desktop infrastructure. So which is very important considering the today's scenario. Uh, I'm working from home. You must be working from home, and all of us we have a stay-at-home order. In fact, in India it is lockdown, totally lockdown, and in US it is stay at home. So I'm at home. I have not gone outside since 20 days or so. And so virtual desktop infrastructure became very important aspect of the IT solution for any company. They have to give every employee some way or the other to and to like they enable them to work from home, and some companies they provided desktops, somebody they provided laptops, some other like they use the cloud technology, and they created a virtual desktop infrastructure, and they allowed their employee to access those desktops virtually from their home, and they sometimes they can exist in their data center, their own data center, or they can exist in their own in the public cloud. So, but everybody is using almost virtual desktop infrastructure or the VDI solution. So let's talk about the VDI today, and uh, I have a very special bonding with VDI because I started my solution architecture career from VDI. Way back in 2008, I was the Sun Microsystems VDI solution architect. I was looking after the thin client based solution, and we had a centralized server based on Solaris. And I used to go and install the thin clients at the client places. So I conduct POCs, so the demo, and creating a virtual desktop infrastructure at their data center using, I remember using the ESX as the virtualization layer. So that's why I have some special interest towards the Sun VDI, the VDI technology. And today, there are many solutions available in the market. There is Citrix, there is VMware Horizon, there is some other, there is AWS desktops, and there is, um, in fact, Azure, they have their own VDI solutions, and every cloud almost giving their own VDI solution. So I thought of starting the same thing what VMware is giving since a long time, the VMware Horizon. So in my lab, I'm going to create a VMware Horizon solution, and I'm going to create a small VDI environment, and I'm going to just create some of the desktops as well. And I'm going to access them, though from my own laptop, but I have a, a remote desktops which is having around 32 gig of RAM. So I'm going to create the complete VDI architecture there and a VDI infrastructure there, and I'm going to access those desktops from my laptop here. So that will simulate the whole VDI solution. So one of the core infrastructure of any environment, any enterprise environment is Active Directory, right? So which is Windows Server based. So I thought of starting from there. I don't have a an Active Directory today. So what we are going to do is first we are going to create a server, Windows server, with Active Directory installed. So that is the first thing I'm going to create, so that I'll start building other infrastructure, and I'll authenticate using that Active Directory. So that is the basic thing I think we'll need. So I have installed a Windows 2016 server. I have downloaded from Microsoft evaluation version. I believe that is valid for 180 days. And you can download too. And in fact, you can download the VMware infrastructure solution also. VMware completely gives for the VDI solution for the COVID-19, they have extended 30 days more. Normally, they give 60 days of learning license or trial license, but they have, sorry, they have increased 30 days more, 90 days currently they're giving, so that you can actually download, create it, learn it, and within 90 days you can do whatever you want. So with that, you can download the vSphere. I have the 7 latest, vSphere 7, and they call it, actually the latest solution of Horizon is 7, VMware Horizon 7. And they have recently released VMware vSphere 7 as well. So vSphere 7 consists of ESXi 7 as well as vCenter Server 7. So you can download these three. So VMware ESXi 7, VMware vCenter 7, and the Horizon Enterprise solution. So Horizon solution has a lot of product inside it. Once you go and register for the trial, you will able to get those software and use it for 3 months or 90 days. So with that, I'm going to start creating the basic infrastructure required for the VMware Horizon solution, and I will start with installing the Active Directory. So that is Microsoft Active Directory solution for authentication of various functions, various users, various computers, and I also will install the what else? All the functions related to the VMware Horizon solutions. So let's start with the Active Directory. See you in my next video. Thank you.